Hey friends, welcome back to Watavue Mountain. You guessed it, we're at the mountain today and we have one of those housekeeping projects, just like the title describes. We are going to attempt to put this mower belt onto our what's this, LA 100. So we got this John Deere LA 100 from our buddy Wes. He gave us a great deal on it, and it's our mountain mower. As you may have seen, or if this is your first time checking us out, we have lots of stumps and rocks and all kinds of stuff here on the mountain. That belt was probably 2 or 3 years old, so I'm not surprised that it broke. So went on the old trusty Amazon, ordered a new belt. I hope it's the right one. I put all the specs in for which lawnmower it was. It said it would fit. This is the 2588 Li or 2618 LW. It's got 2 different numbers, lots of Chinese writing. We'll see if it works. So we got the belt. We have a 10mm socket, so we can take that cover off, and hopefully that's all we'll need. So enough of me rambling. Thanks for coming. Thanks for checking us out. Hopefully this goes as well as I think it will, and we can get back to mowing. So enough of me rambling. Let's get to business. So you can see this cover here. It's just got three little bolts. So we're going to take those out so we can get that cover off and get the belt wrapped around there. And don't judge how dirty this is in here. Like I said, this just stays at the mountain, so I don't clean it. It looks like I need to put some air in that tire though, don't I?
Yep.
Well, I can't get to this one because it's underneath this other pulley. So 2's all it's going to be for right now. We'll have to make it work. Okay, so got that off. I can lift this up enough that I can feed that around there, I think. So you see there's the pulley. And let's go underneath now and take a look at what we got. Something I forgot to discuss. I don't know how well you can appreciate that, but here's the outside of the belt. It's the flat side. It's the side that has those numbers on it. Remember us talking about all the Chinese numbers? And then if you can see, this side is tapered. So that's going to go inside. See how that slants in like that? So these will go inside of the pulleys, which will make sense once I show you the inside of the pulleys. But it fits right into the inside of those pulleys. So now let's crawl underneath there and see what we can do. Okay, I'm going to start at this front one up here. You recording?
Yeah.
Okay, so you see this pulley right here goes up to the motor. So this is what spins, and this is what drives our belt. So once we engage the PTO, if you'll call it that, then that goes there. And then these little hooks help keep it in place when it's not running. So you just wiggle that back and forth, and now you see that, you can see they're all on my side, but the numbers are on the outside. You just have to trust me on that one, because I know you can't see them from that side.
The yellow sticker?
Yep, you
Yeah.
see it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so then now, this is just another tensioner pulley right here. So I'm gonna come around this. The flat side's gonna touch that. Then I'm coming around this pulley, which is, this is the one, if you can see this is what actually turns the blade underneath there. So we gotta have that around that. Then it goes all the way around the back, which I can't reach, so let me come to that side. So it comes all the way around to this. And I've seen where people said loosen these, but if you just kind of rotate, I don't know if you saw me do that, but I kind of rotated. See, it's a tight, you can't just push it straight down. So I start it and then I rotate it, then it will go down. Okay, same thing here. It's a tight squeeze. If you can see that, my finger's in the way, but tight squeeze. Then this goes around the tensioner. Same thing. Get that around. Come back, fix this. So there you go, it's that simple. You just, the grooved, like this one was grooved, so it took the
Oops, sorry.
tapered end, that's okay. And this one's flat, so it takes the flat side. Because all that's gonna do is when I flip the PTO, see how that adds tension, right? So now, if the motor was running, this wheel would be spinning and that wheel would be spinning and the mower would be spinning. So just make sure I visualize, make sure everything's in the right spot, and then let's crank her up and see, take the tension off. Sorry, here's the shifter for the PTO. You flip that, you saw what happens, the belt, and then when it's loose, take a look back down here again, baby. That's where these hooks come in. See, this belt's loose, so that's just holding it so it stays in the same place. And then the same thing with these nubs here. These metal rods are holding it so it doesn't come flying off. So let's crank it up and see if she goes. Well, I'm gonna put the cover back on the other side first. Okay, now I'm gonna lift it up. So I had the deck down as far as it would go. So now I'm gonna lift it up and see if she'll start. Nope. Got to jump her off. She's been sitting too long. So because this is not the first time this happens, I carry this in the truck all the time now. Maggie hasn't died yet, but I wouldn't be surprised if she does soon. I think she has an alternator. This does not have an alternator. So I carry this jumper with me all the time. Just jump it off. There you go. It was that simple. I was hoping it was going to be that simple, but if you've ever watched any of our other videos, you know it normally is not that simple. I don't know. I mean, real time, 10 minutes maybe took us to do this. So don't be intimidated. It looks like it's hard. when you start looking at all those pulleys and you're like, what on green's earth is that? But it's really not that hard. And now you have another video. Hopefully this helps and helps you figure out how to change yours on yours if you have a riding mower. So as always, thanks for coming, thanks for checking us out. Like I said, I hope this video helped out somebody. If it helps out one person, it's worth it. And yeah, blessings to you and your family. We're absolutely blessed. It's hotter than Hades here, but we're still blessed, and we're thankful that you're along with us. So thanks for coming, thanks for checking us out. Of course, look up this way. We're going to post another video, something related probably to the mountain. I'll let YouTube pick it. And until next time, be safe and God bless.